Hi guys, I hope you had a great weekend, that those of you who celebrated Mother's Day had a wonderful day. I know I did. It was very relaxing. I got to do all the things I like doing, like playing out in the garden, relaxing with movies, eating in bed. I'm guilty of that. And I got a good nap in, so I decided to get up, do this eye look, and just play around in makeup. And then I said, you know, in my last Get Ready With Me video, people in the comments section said that, oh, I'm organized, and how neatly arranged to some degree they said that my makeup was. So I thought, why not show them how I organize one of my drawers here in my vanity? Because I did one last week, so we'll do this other one together. But I have to say, I am not always the tidiest person. I like to have some method to my madness, but it does get out of hand. So every now and then, like we all do, we have to step back and say, enough is enough, let's get this stuff together. So that's what we're going to do. I hope you don't mind coming along with me as I organize my makeup drawer. Stay tuned. Alrighty friends, this is the drawer in question. I will start by pulling out the organizers. I have organizers that I have found at various places. This one, I believe, is a Dollar Tree organizer, and in it I have just a hair net that you pull your hair back with when you're putting on makeup. I have a Real Techniques sponge here. I have a little mirror compact there, an extra makeup applicator, some Deep Intense Eve Pearl. Let's see what it looks like. I think I need to throw this away. Yeah. Concealer. That's trash. Pain relief. Vitamins. Toothbrushes for hair. Nail files. Different hair items in this one. Some of the OK colored edges. Temporary color for gray touch-up. Another toothbrush, and that's what I use these toothbrushes for, to put that on around my edges. This is a wig cap, I believe, a hairband, and clips for the hair, bobby pins, floss, because you gotta floss. And what is this? This is Superfoods Air Whipped Moisture Cream. So I have that there, and bobby pins. And some screws. Who knows what they're to. I need to start putting them in a baggie and labeling them when I take them out of things. So what I'm going to do is take some Mrs. Meyer's, because I had it here. I have Mrs. Meyer's in, what flavor? Pumpkin scent. Since it was upstairs, I'm going to spray it into this container, because there's even some makeup inside this container. And I'm just going to wipe it clean. And then I'm going to start looking at what I have and what I want to keep here and what I want to put somewhere else or declutter. So getting that all wiped out, I am going to see, I am definitely going to keep my hair apparatuses, because I do need those in here. I do need this. Just fold it, put it at one end, and this at the other end. These brushes are really nice. I don't need the toothbrushes because I have this one actually, but yeah, I can get rid of the toothbrushes. I can declutter that. Keep the nail file. Keep the floss. I don't need a comb anymore. Keep the hair clips and bobby pins. So those are the things I want to keep in here. Oh yeah, this. So that's what this is going to look like now. I think the floss will stay here, I'm not sure. The cream, oh, the edge control has to go there. Maybe the floss should come out. The edge control goes there, and I just keep it related to all things hair and those hair clips. Hair clips and hair bands. And yeah, that's set. That drawer's set. So next we have, so those things are not going in. Next we have this 3-layer compartment drawer that I believe I found at TJ Maxx. No, it's lighter weight, probably Dollar Tree or TJ Maxx. Anyway, I have more hair gel in here. Maybe this one should go in the other one. Maybe I think I'll do that. Wipe it off, and it should go here with the other hair. So, all hair things right there. And here are some makeup brushes. A Becca. One's got stuck in there. A kabuki brush. This is some Origins cream. They're samples. This is a little sponge that's like a jelly sponge. I think I can declutter that. Here are some Q-tips that have gotten soil from the wasted makeup. More bobby pins and a little applicator. So yeah, this one was really a mess, if you can see that. This one, far one. Oh, you know who you are. You know who sent me this. You know who you are, I'm trying to say. It's lovely. I haven't used it yet because I treasure it. Here are some extra brushes I have. I think I put double-sided or double-ended brushes here just because I don't like standing them up. So that's what I have in this drawer. And then I have my lip brush in here as well. So some more sponges. Over here for now. Some cotton, another brush, some e.l.f. makeup, line and define, and more cotton swabs and a band-aid. This is going to be easy. Let's spray this cube. This was definitely a TJ Maxx. Drawer here, or container I should say. It has a facial flex in here which does not belong. And by the way, the brushes I am going to keep. I'm just going to wipe them off some. Here is a trend by a perfume by House of Siage. Here are some hair accessories. Another hair piece there. Put that in that drawer. These are tools for nail file. Here is a, what is it, NYX Deep Contour palette, a Tarte contour palette that I haven't used in a while. I think I need to start. here we are in the other drawer, and I'll just show you what I did to organize this one. I cleaned it out, each container, but in this container I have eyelash curlers, the lifters, the ones you hold, and other tools that I use for my face, and extra sponges, and I just have that here. And on the other side, this container just holds more of my office supplies, like ink pen, scissors, box openers, because, you know, we get our packages and we have to be able to get into those, calculator, things like that in that little space. And then onward, I have eyelashes, a color switch for the brushes. I have a little container here for the adhesive for lashes, stencils for the brows, makeup wipes, little container to put your lashes in, microfiber cloths, and compacts. I went ahead and put this compact over here since the other one was already here. And I think this is the perfect place for the facial flex. It can go right in this drawer because it's a tool. So I'll put it right there, or maybe I'll put it, see if it'll fit here. It does. And put this, because it has to do with brushes and everything, right there. So that concludes this video. I've gotten 2 drawers now, tidied up, and I feel a little more organized and worthy of being classified as being an organized person at this point. So if you have a drawer that needs tidying up, get to it. Why not, right? It helps to make life a little easier when you're getting ready. You know where things are and you can get to them rather quickly. So I suggest you spend a little time. It doesn't take that much out of your day to take about 5 or 10 minutes to tidy up a drawer. It takes longer when you're filming it, of course. But yeah, I'm happy that I got this done, and I'll see you in the next video where I will be doing a get ready with me using the Shop My Stash items and doing a look pretty similar to the one I did today that you happen to see at the beginning of this video. Thank you for watching. If you have yet to subscribe to Accessorize Your Life, I invite you to do so. And if you have any comments about the products you see here, or how I organize my drawer, or any questions at all, I'll see you down in the comment section. Take care. Bye-bye.